First installation we did was for a company in Sunnyvale, California. And it was the first 2 video walls that we installed for Absen. And we had some issues. I called Lee, and Absen immediately sent a technician the next day and flew them out. And by the time I got to site the following day, the problem was completely fixed without a second phone call. And that left a lasting impression, cemented the business. And since then, we've switched the majority of our business to Absen. Well, the S install left me satisfied, but the following installation we did was for a company called, again in Sunnyvale. We installed a 1.2 millimeter KLCOB, 35-foot long curved LED wall. And your technician did a very good job both with the install and the color calibration, and spent a lot of extra time working with our technicians to make sure that the content looked excellent on the video wall when it was complete. First, there's very little after service that's required with the Absen product, but hiring Absen to do the installation portion of the project saves me both time and money. I'm a union contractor, so we have to pay very high wages for union installation. And the pricing for the installation through Absen is very reasonable. Peace of mind, I also receive this because I know that it's going to get done properly. Lastly, if there is a problem, I can count on Absen to fly out and fix the problem if necessary. I would say that you can trust Absen to do the installation and provide the product, that it would last, and that they'll have 0 to no issues with it.